1000. This is a much bigger unit than the previous ones we've had, which were fantastic, by the way. So let's get this one open and see what we get out of the box. On top we have our lovely piece of graphic paper. Then we got our paperwork, some parts, and charging adapter. We'll get the protective cardboard off, and then we have the Rockstar unit itself, the Seagull 1000. There we go. What a unit. Look at this thing. So we have got ports here everywhere. Oh yeah. Inside of our bag is the charging adapter, some fins, and a rope with a handle on it, which I'm sure is how we will get it out of the pool. A brush, and of course the user manual, which we will definitely be diving into to get this thing working. Floating handle, yes, so the handle does float, and that is how we will fish it out of the pool. Once you lift the unit up, you can see the motor and everything underneath with the jet. That will be picking up your trash and through the bottom of the unit right here. Then be filtered out with the screen with the Apier Seagull 1000 right on top. Running the floor of your pool, doing all the cleaning so you don't have to. And that is everything you get right out of the box.